I hate to say it, but if you've not received an offer for January 2024 intake by October, or you've not yet applied, you might have to consider applying for the next section. Now, some of you might be thinking the next section might be September 2024. Hold up. Some schools actually have some intakes before September 2024. In this video, I'll be sharing over 15 schools that offer for other intakes before September 2024. So if you want to be in the UK before September 2024, then please keep on watching.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Cause you know I get it, I'm getting freaky, yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky on, get that freaky on. Get it right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omomi, aka Petite Diva, and I am a University of Nottingham alumni and also Developing Solutions Scholarship Award winner. In this educational series, I talk about the UK admission process, I talk about the UK visa application process, I talk about tips and tricks on how to enjoy your stay in the UK as an international student. I also talk about tips and tricks on how to earn more money as an international student. If you like videos such as this and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, before we continue with this video, I just want to remind you that I offer some UK educational services, and those services include SOP writing, academic civil writing, and the UK admission package. Now, the UK admission package comprises of me curating courses that best fit you based on your educational background and professional experience, helping to write the SOPs for the courses that you've chosen, helping to write an academic CV that will help to boost your chances of getting an offer, and also helping you with the application process to make sure that your application is as smooth as possible. Now, if you want any of my services, please contact me by sending a mail to the email address on your screen. You can also join the Telegram group. The Telegram group is where we share real-time information as it is occurring about the whole UK admission process, UK educational system, so that you are aware of opportunities to take advantage of, and also you are able to avoid some issues. Now, you can join the Telegram group by clicking on the link in the description box. When you join the Telegram group, you can also send me a private message if you want to use any of my services. With all that said, let's get into this video. Like I said, if you've not received any offer by October, I would advise, my honest advice is for you to start looking towards the next intake. Now, like I said, some schools have some intakes before September. So we have some schools that have March session, we have May session, June session, or July session. In this video, I'm going to list all of them so that you can check them out, but there are some things that you need to note. Number one, the schools are few in number. Number two, the offers are given on a first come, first served basis. So it's the people that apply early that will get that are more likely to get offers. Three, the courses offered are very few, so you might not get an offer if you don't have the educational background for that course. So it's not a case of everybody apply to those courses. Now, the schools that I mentioned, it's not all of them that have all the intakes that I already mentioned, like the March, the May, June, or July. Some schools is just May, some schools is March, May, or June, some schools is June or July. So please go and check the website of the school and look for the courses that they offer for March, May, June, July. The first school I'm going to mention is University of Salford. Now, University of Salford has March and also has May or June. It depends on the course. Some courses are May, some courses are June, but they have March and May or June before September. So University of Salford is the first one to check. And please, you know that University of Salford, when they open the application process, they open it for a short while. So please go and check their website and look at when they intend to open the application process, and then also the courses that they offer for that session, because it's not all courses that they offer for those sessions. That's March and May or June. Now the next one is University of Wolverhampton. The next one is University of West London, University of Chester, University of East London. There's Ulster University, and that's the Birmingham campus and the London campus, because you know Ulster University is actually based in Belfast, that's Northern Ireland, but they have campuses in Birmingham and London. Now the Birmingham and London campuses offer some courses for May intake. That's May-June intake, so you can check them out. The next one is Northumbria University. There's Coventry University, Birmingham City University, Cranfield University, Kingston University, University of Law, University of West of Scotland, University of Wolverhampton, Richmond University, University of Hertfordshire, Kelly University, is it Kelly? Kelly University, University of Bedfordshire. So that's 18 schools that have an intake before or multiple intakes before September. So you can go and check them out. Like I said, go on their website. There are some of them that will have May intake, some is July intake, some is June. University of Salford has March and May and June. Check the courses available, because the last time I checked, a lot of them were really towards the business management side. They might have added some other science courses, but please check, and then check the website to know when they are starting the application or if they started. Also know the tuition fee deposit required and the payment plan. Don't just apply to school and you find out that they need £10,000 for deposit, or you're supposed to pay it twice. So please check all those things before you apply. But I hope this video helps, because I know some people have already missed out on January intake and they are really like, oh, I don't want to still be in my home country till September. So you can try checking those schools out and you might get an offer. Any which way, that's the end of today's video. I really hope it helps. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
I'm getting pretty.